Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of our presentation is about logistics company. This title slide is a product of fiction. Any resemblance to persons, names, images, places and situations, it is completely coincidental and not responding in fact. Any material is used for the needs of the presentation. Thank you. In today's fast business world, the term logistics company is often thrown around, but what does it really mean? In simple terms, a logistics company is a firm that specializes in the management of the flow of goods and services from the point of origin to the point of consumption. These companies play a crucial role in ensuring that products are delivered efficiently and on time, helping businesses streamline their operations and increase customer satisfaction. Let's make the title slide. We can consult to start designing the brand name that a company uses to promote the services it offers. Let's say that the particular company uses shades of orange. The color orange is directly connected to new beginnings and the creative mood. To visualize the services offered by the company, we use images from the workplace. But let's start designing the title slide. To the left side, outside of the design area, we have put the colors that we will use in the design of the title slide, along with their hex codes. First, we color the background. Right click of the mouse, format background. We go to solid fill, choose color, eyedropper. Click the first color outside of the design area. We go now to insert shapes. We choose parallelogram. Click in the design area, drag and release it. We want to set transparency to see the rectangle clearest. Let's say 40. And now we go to insert a rectangle, click insert shapes, choose rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release, and then we go to cut the part of the shape which is outside of the design area. Click the parallelogram, shift click the rectangle, subtract, and we are done. Now we want to give exact dimensions to have the same result. We go to shape format, height 19.05 centimeter, or if you have inches in your settings, 7.5 inches, and width 18 centimeter, and if you have inches in your settings, 7.08 inches. We place it in the right position and we go to color to change the color of this shape that we have created. Shape format, shape fill, eyedropper, click the color, the second color in the row, shape outline, no outline. Now we go to copy this shape that we have created, right click copy, right click paste. We change the color and the dimensions. Shape format, height the same, width 16 centimeter. Shape format, shape fill, eyedropper. We choose the third in a row and we put it in the desired position. To put the images, we will use rectangles with the diagonal corners snipped. We go to insert shapes, we choose rectangle diagonal corners snipped, click, click in the design area, drag and release it. We click on the dot, yellow dot, and drag the mouse until the corner is formed. Now we want to give dimensions. We go shape format, size height 6.5 centimeter or 2.55 inches if you have inches in your settings, and width 6.7 centimeter or 2.63 inches if you have inches in your settings. After this, we want to copy this shape. Right click copy, right click paste another 3 times. We click, shift and click, shift and click, shift and click. We click all of them. We go to shape format, align, distribute horizontally, shape outline, no outline. Now we will put the images. We go to insert, pictures, this device. We choose the image that we want to insert, click insert. Right click to the image, cut, click on this first shape. We go to format shape, picture or texture fill and click clipboard. And that's it. We keep going with the same way. Click, go to insert, pictures, this device. We choose the image that we want, click insert, right click, cut, click the shape that we want to insert our picture, format shape, picture or texture fill, clipboard. Insert picture, this device, click the insert that we want, click insert, right click, cut, we go to format, click the shape that we want to insert the picture, picture or texture fill, clipboard. Let's close it. We go to insert pictures, this device. We click the picture that we want to insert, click insert, right click, cut, click the last shape that we want to insert the picture, format shape, picture or texture fill, click clipboard, and we are done. Now we will insert our title, the company's name. We want to go to insert, click text box, click in the design area, we choose Calibri font, size 36, black color as it is, and we write our company's name, Aurora Logistics Company. Because we want to highlight the part of the title, we will use a shade of orange color left outside of the design area. We choose the words that we want to be with the orange color, Aurora, shape format, text fill, eyedropper, and we did it. Now for the presenter's name, we go to insert ribbon, we choose and click text box, click in the design area, drag and release it, Calibri, size 24, black color, presented by Martha G. Santos. It's not necessary to put the presenter's name, but let's put it. Now we want to emphasize the title and we will insert a rectangle to underline it. Insert, Shapes, Rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go Shape Format, Shape Fill, Eyedropper, we choose a color from the left, Shape Outline, No Outline, and that's it. And above all, we will write the name of the company's website on the left. We go to Insert, Text Box, click in the design area, drag and release it. Let's see. Insert, Text Box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We have 24 size, Calibri, black color, and we write www.aurora.logistics.com. Bold. Now that we are finished with the design, it's time for animations. We go to the big shape, entrance, animations ribbon, entrance, fly in, effect options from right, duration 0.75, start with previews. We go to the small rectangle shape, entrance, fly in, effect options from right, duration 1, start after previews. We see that we have opened the animation pane, animation pane, to see the animations that we have put. We go to the images, the first image, entrance float in, effect options flow down, duration 1 as it is, and start after previews. We go click, shift and click, shift and click, entrance float in, effect options float down, duration 1, start with previews. We see that all the images start together. We go to the title, to the website, to the company's name, entrance float in, effect options float down, duration 1, start after previews. We go to the small rectangle, entrance float in, effect options float up as it is, duration 0.50, start after previews. We go to the website's name, entrance float in, effect options float down, duration 0.75, start after previews. and the presenter's name, entrance fade, effect options as one object, duration 1.25, start after previews. And now we go to the slideshow button down, we click it to see the result. And that's it. Thank you for watching us. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!